Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala, I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm again welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders, and those who are subscribed about my channel, I was thankful to you all. And anyone not yet subscribed my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. We are making use of these holidays, the corona holidays, with the candlesticks patterns. So the here again we are going to see the one of the powerful candlesticks pattern, that is a bearish meeting lines. So last video we are seeing bullish meeting line, and this video we are going to see the bearish meeting line, the same like that bullish meeting line, but there will be a small changes, and the thing which you have to understand from that particular strategy. So this is not a strategy, it is a system which we can use for a reversal and trend, or we are going to find out where should be the market reversal. So that is the important thing. So we use the candlesticks patterns for either continuation trend or reversal and trend. So this candlesticks pattern we are using to find out there will be a reversal or continuation. So the bearish meeting line, so that is also be same like that bullish meeting line. So last video we seen about bullish meeting line. So here we have to find out there will be a uptrend. So this is what a bullish candle, so where it forms, and the next day market must open gap higher than that and must closes equal to the this candle, the first candle. Okay, and let's tell you, previously the trend should be upwards. The trend was uptrend. So when the uptrend continues, uptrend, and if anyone who not subscribed my channel, kindly make subscribe to get more update and make support us, and thanks for supporting. Okay, so the previous trend should be uptrend, and there will be a big green candle, followed by the gap up opening, and even it gap higher, but trying to down and ending with the close equal to the previous close. This is the pattern where we called it as a bearish meeting line. Bearish meeting line. So when this kind of pattern forms, we are trying to find out there will be a valid reversal in the trend. So once this kind of trends reversal formation is the forms, so we called it as bearish meeting line. So once this kind of pattern forms, we confirm there will be a trend reversal will happen at highest level. So the recognitions, how to find out this particular thing. So first thing we have to find out there will be uptrend, and second thing the big green candle followed by the big red candle with the technical gap up, and it's not moving higher than that, and it started ending with the lower values. Okay, both the days having a long candles. So both the days big candles. So that is the logic, big candles. So once we have find out this kind of thing, so we have to sell below here this particular candle, and we maintain the stop loss above this thing. This is the simple way we can find out there will be a trend reversal. So once this kind of pattern forms in any stocks, so we can simply follow the positional or intraday trades, which will give you nice result. So again I tell you, there will be a uptrend, and then the big green candle followed by the big red candle, but it started by the gap higher than the previous candle, and the close is equal to the previous candle. So the green candle close and the red candle close must be same or nearby the same, so that should be the valid reversal pattern. And next day when the stock broke below the low of the first candle, so we can go for a short selling that position, and we can maintain a stop loss for higher level. So let's find out any stocks which forms that kind of pattern, and we'll see that. So how we can use for a charting to find out this kind of scanners and creators. So here I'm going to make screeners for scanners very quicker way. So I will update you the scanners and screeners after making that bearish meeting lines. So a lot of scanner is there. Let's check that. Yeah, bearish meeting lines. This is the one of the scanner which we cannot find anything, but if you are going to check in a cash market, so a lot of stock is there, and you see that the Karnataka Bank Limited, so it forms a Karnataka Bank Limited. So let's check on the chart about Karnataka Bank, that is KTK Bank, I think. Yeah, Karnataka Bank. Yeah, you see that. But only problem what happened here, and here the stock, it's not in downtrend, right? But the patterns, everything was perfect. The previous close about 42.5, and this candle, sorry, previous close is 42.15. This candle also closed by 42.15. So you see that this is the pattern exactly, the candlestick what we are expecting. Okay, so let's show you that how it happened. Let's do that. So you see that here the stock opened the candle green, and this is the close 42.15 of first candle, and second candle opens above the high above the candles. So let's not do this, so let's do it with others, and I'll show you the same with the example. So bearish meeting line, so I'm going to tell you. So this candle is forms, and the close you see that equal. So the first day close equal to second day close, and the second day opened by gap up, that has also be happened. And that's the important thing, the stock, it is in downtrend, so we have to wait for uptrend. So even the stock is moved 3 days, and intraday purpose you can sell below with the stop loss of this, and tomorrow or short term trading you can do sorry, you can do the short term trading based on this. Here you can see, let's price range, let's do the price range. So this candle which forms, yeah, 42.65 is the highest level, and 41.20, that is 41.20 is where close, sorry, high and low. Okay, 42.65 is the highest price, and next day the market were started more than that. So next day the market is started is 42.95, so greater than the previous close. So it's simply 42.95 greater than the gap up. So and its close is equal to the close, 42.15 is the close. So the perfect setup which forms for a trading bearish meeting line. So this stock is suitable for a selling below this low, that is what 41.10 with the stop loss of 42.95. So likewise if you finding daily basis, and again I tell you or see you that you see that there will be a same kind of pattern. You see that no one can understand, you can understand what is the pattern. So big red candle, next day this high is 73.65, next day gap higher 75, and ending with the, we are expecting the previous is uptrend, we are finding out the reversal because it just started moving up from here and uptrend, and next day it forms the red candle with the gap higher, and this is what a perfect pattern we are going to take. If I draw the price line for the stock, these two candles where I'm going to take, sorry, price range with magnetics, and yeah, so here you see that there will be a range of the stocks, so equal to the bearish meeting line only. So the same to the bearish meeting line, yes, yeah. So you see that the highest price about the stock is around the 75, the open, that when we are taking a trade opportunity, 75 is your trade highest level, and the lowest level is 66.85. so when the stock breaks below this level, we are maintaining the stop loss and we are sell here. So this is the concept. Once we have sold here and the stock fall down up to 40 rupees from 66, so almost 24 points down from your entry, but if you are taking the risk around 9 points, so that give you 1:3 risk reward ratio. So this kind of pattern if forms anywhere, so we can do the trading, so it will give you some good and nice return. So there a pattern we can find out each time frame. So if you are following intraday time frame about 1 hour, 2 hour or 4 hours, that is also we can follow. So but daily I'm showing you this kind of patterns, how it is in this particular stock. So on recent pattern we can scan from the this using this website, and again lot of stocks in a tech, so it's on a very less value. So the only good stock is the Karnataka Bank based on this pattern, and it will give you some good result. And this is the meaning the perfect method for bearish mid line. So what are the strategy which I'm teaching here? So each and every strategy I'll make a code and the charting, and I will share you that URL to my YouTube channel, that is my Telegram channel also. And I'm going to first I'm telling you this truth, and based on the truth I'm going to make my trades after this April 14th. So you will understand what is the power about this candlesticks patterns. Thanks for being with me, and thank you very much about this video, and thanks for your time, and thank you very much.